Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad, and today we are cooking Spam MUSUBI. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget. Now, Spam MUSUBI is a very simple dish actually, and I was inspired to make it because I got my hands on this awesome Hawaiian cookbook. I've always been super interested in Hawaiian food, but I had never known a lot about what the options are. I did know, however, about Spam MUSUBI. It's a very simple dish on the surface, and I'm going to share it with you. Key ingredients: Spam, rice, nori, pressed seaweed, and it really is just like a little sushi roll kind of, except it uses fried Spam inside. This is low sodium Spam. That's pretty important. This is very salty. I can't imagine how much saltier it would be if it was full sodium. Well, actually I can imagine it would be 25%. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we steam some rice, off camera of course, and then we're going to cut slices of this and just fry it up in a little pan. Alright, this here is my smallest saucepan, and we're just going to spray this little bit of cooking oil, and then we're going to drop in these Spam pieces and fry them over kind of medium heat, not too hot, just until they start to brown on one side. We'll flip them over, make sure it's cooked through, although of course Spam is cooked coming out of the can. Now when these are done cooking, you could put soy sauce on them and make a little glaze with some cooking wine or sugar, but I'm not going to do that because this stuff does come out pretty salty already. So I'm going to season this just with the seaweed and maybe a little bit of sprinkle of sesame. Now when this Spam comes out of the pan, looks like this, and you can see it is browned a little bit on one side, or maybe both if you flipped it. So now we've just got to put our MUSUBI together. So we get some of our steamed sticky rice, form it into a little container like that, place it on top of the nori, and then wrap this around. Uh-oh, my nori is not long enough. Oh boy, I'll have to try to do another one. Alright, this is what they look like when they're properly wrapped. Doesn't this look cool? There is the risk that these will fall apart when I pick them up because my rice was not as sticky as I would like. Oh yeah, look at that, some of the rice is coming out. Don't worry, this will be excellent anyway. It's so good. We've got, of course, the fried Spam, which has a spammy taste. And we've got all that starch. It's very salty from the Spam. So it's pretty good. It is, however, I think even maybe a little bit too salty. And so I've tried doing something else too. This one here, if you can see, has got a piece of cucumber in it, and I'm hoping that will cut down on that saltiness and just kind of balance the whole thing. Let's give this a shot. Ta-da! Oh yeah, this is better because it also has a crunch and kind of a coolness from this cucumber. I really like that. So keep in mind, this is more the traditional way. So cucumber, thumbs up from me, but if you do that and you claim it's authentic, people might laugh at you. Anyway, I think that's just about all for today. I hope you liked this. If you did, go down there, subscribe, like, give me a comment, let me know what you think about this, and then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.